Hello, little friends! Today we'll talk about a cleanliness and hygiene adventure together. We will learn how to be cleaner and healthier. Are you ready? Let's get started. Face cleaning. Every morning, we wash our face for a fresh start. We also comb our hair to keep it beautiful and healthy. Now, after washing your face, look in the mirror, give a big smile and tell yourself, "Today is my day, and I'm going to do great things." Brushing teeth. We brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and before bedtime. And remember, after eating a snack, rinse your mouth with water to remove any food bits. Look at how this cute baby brushes his teeth. I guess he will never need to visit a dentist. Washing hands. We touch many things with our hands. Toys, books, door handles. Especially before and after meals. Don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water. Also, let's turn off the tap while washing to save water. Sneezing and coughing. When we sneeze or cough, we cover our mouth and nose. If we don't have a tissue, we can use the back of our hand. Oh my God, that was a loud sneeze. Did you see? Even the kangaroo got scared and ran away. Foot care. Just like our hands, our feet also need care. We should change our socks daily to keep our feet fresh. Also, especially in the summer, washing our sweaty feet feels so refreshing. Always remember to keep them clean. Nail care. Our nails need special care too. Long nails can get dirty easily. So, let's cut our nails once a week to keep our hands clean. Hey, maybe we should show those witches how to cut their nails, right? Changing clothes. After playing or spending an active day outside, our clothes might get dirty. So, when we come home, we change them. Here is a fun fact for you, kids. Snakes shed their skin often. That means they change their clothes in their own way, right? Bath time. We take baths several times a week, or more if we need to. We bathe to clean ourselves when we sweat, or when our bodies get dirty. Look at the fish. They love bathing. They never leave the water. After toilet hygiene. After using the toilet, we wash our hands and keep the toilet clean. This ensures a clean space for ourselves and for the next user. Organizing our room. When we wake up in the morning, we make our bed. After spending time in our room, we organize our toys and books. This way, we can find our stuff more easily and enjoy a tidy and spacious room. Congratulations, little friends! Today, we learned many important cleanliness steps. Stay clean by following these steps. Until our next adventure, goodbye.